Okay guys, today we have a Auris, not starting, completely not starting. So this vehicle was brought to me from another shop, very good clients of mine. They're not able to get it to start, so this vehicle was here by me. So the first time it came here, it was starting, then immediately dying. So the customer said he put on his diagnostic machine, it showed immobilizer. So we programmed the immobilizer to the ECU again. It was starting, running nice, so the client took it. He test drove it. He said 10 kilometers while driving it, it was jerking, and then the engine light came on, then it shut down. Then he tried to restart it, then he drove back to his shop, and before he reached his shop, it died completely and didn't switch on. So let's quickly confirm customer complaint. He's also telling me there's a fuse that's blown on the inside. We're gonna test that fuse now to check what's going on. So let's confirm customer complaint. So he says this is all that's happening. It's all showing. When you switch on the ignition, as you can see, I switch it on, you can hear the fan running. So nothing's lighting up completely, can't start anything, but the lights are working, indicators are working, wipers are not working, but it's not switched on. So let's just check everything. Okay, let's quickly check the fuse that is blown there in front, so then we're gonna go from there. Let's quickly test it. I think let's switch it on. Let's quickly check that fuse. Okay, so he said it is here. So he says it's this fuse that is blowing. So this fuse, let's check. The focus is IG2. So let's quickly test it. Lights. Okay, let's quickly test here. Putting a test light to ground. Let's test if it's working. Test light is working. Yeah, so it's definitely blown. This one is not working. So let's put a fuse and see if it pops again. Okay, so I put another fuse. It keeps popping the fuse. So there's definitely a dead short. So let's see this circuit IG2. What does it give power to? I just removed the relay of the fan because it keeps on running. I don't want it to drain the battery that quickly. So let's quickly get out the wiring diagram and check that fuse. Okay, so this is the wiring diagram I have. So we can see IG2 is going through giving power. So it's controlled by this relay, then it gives power to, let's just follow. So this is the wire, so it's coming from the IG2 fuse. Once the relay closes it, so it's giving power to the, so this is the noise filter going to the coils, the ignition coils. So it supplies power to the ignition coils. So let's quickly, I think, remove the coils to check what's going on. I think let's remove all of them, then I'm gonna plug them back one by one and check which one is popping the fuse. So let's get it. Okay guys, so after testing all of them, so I plugged all of them out, put them back individually one by one, so we can see when the fuse pops. So this one is causing the fuse to pop. So what I did is I swapped these two coils just to check what's going on. Is it on this wiring that is popping, or is it the ignition coil itself? But when I switch it, it doesn't pop the fuse, so definitely it is this ear coil. So let's remove it and put another one and check if the problem is fixed. Okay guys, that ignition coil is definitely the one causing the problem. Usually when you remove him, it's only just 10 volt, then it comes out, the connector comes out easily. This one was stuck, guys. Look at this. Just look at this. I was fighting with this thing for maybe half an hour to get it out. It's completely melted here. Looks like it overheated, but this is the pirate coil, so these pirate parts. But what can you do? The things are so expensive. You must do what you must do. Just look at this. Okay, let's put a new coil and see if the problem is fixed. Okay, so I've got a new coil. Putting it in. Let's just lock it. Just feel if all of them are locked. So, okay, all of the plugs are in. I think let's grab a new fuse. Take this one out. Let's put back the fan relay. It's coming in this side. It's plugged in. Let me just get the fuse here. Let's pop the fuse back in. Bring in a new fuse. Okay, that fuse is in. Let's just shut this off. Let's check if we have power. Let me just take off all this testing equipment. Just put this cover back in its place. Okay, that's on its place. Let's see. Let us see. Haha. Okay, it's switching on. Let's see if it starts. Yes, that's how it must be. Okay guys, that's a Diag. So I'm just gonna test ride the vehicle. You can see it's complaining about the ABS. But yeah, it's starting. So I'm just gonna test drive to confirm. So the customer said he was driving 10 kilos when the problem started, but I'm gonna do maybe 15 days outside down and 15 back here. Okay. So, but that will be a quick Diag, guys. So it's crazy how one coil can give you that much trouble. Nothing is switching on, so this will be quite difficult to solve. If you test your fuses and you skip that one, you're gonna be in big trouble. But okay, it's running. I think I'm gonna just off camera clean the throttle body, and then that will be done. So hope you guys enjoyed this one. It was a quick and short one. But yeah, more of them are coming.